Most people believe that building serious passive income requires serious money. They look at numbers like $5,000 a month and assume it starts with a large lump sum, a high salary, or a decade of sacrificing everything. And because they believe that, they never start. They wait until they have more, and more never comes. But here is what the math actually shows. $25 a week, less than $4 a day, invested correctly using one specific strategy is enough to build a portfolio that pays over $5,000 every single month, not in theory. In numbers that have been validated by real companies with real dividend histories. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how that strategy works and how to apply it starting today. Here is the proof that $25 a week becomes $5,000 a month. $25 per week is $1,300 per year. Over 30 years, that is $39,000 of your own money, but when that money is invested in a dividend reinvestment portfolio with realistic historical metrics, a blended current yield of 2.5%, dividend growth of 15.5% annually, and share price appreciation of 10.9% per year, something extraordinary happens. After year one, the portfolio reaches $2,560. After 10 years, it grows to $27,825. After 20 years, $145,500. And after 30 years, the portfolio reaches $823,000, generating $63,900 per year in dividend income. That is $5,325 every single month, from $25 a week. The gap between those two numbers is not luck. It is one strategy applied consistently for long enough. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what that strategy is, how it works step by step, and which specific investments make these numbers possible. So make sure to stay until the end, leave a like, and let's start. Everything in this strategy starts with DRIP, the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. DRIP is the mechanism that turns small weekly contributions into a portfolio generating thousands in monthly income. Here is how it works. When you own shares in a company that pays dividends, instead of receiving that dividend payment as cash, you use it to automatically purchase more shares. Those additional shares then generate their own dividends, which buy more shares, which generate more dividends. It is a compounding cycle that builds on itself every single quarter, year after year. To understand the power of this, consider a simple example. You own 100 shares of a company worth $20 per share. It pays a $1 annual dividend per share. At the end of year one, you receive $100 in dividends. You reinvest them and buy 5 additional shares. Now you own 105 shares. The following year, you collect $105 in dividends instead of $100. Year 3, 110 shares, $110 in dividends. The numbers look modest at first, but over 30 years, every reinvested dividend is buying shares that buy more shares that buy more shares. The snowball gets bigger with every revolution, and DRIP runs this process automatically. You set it up once, and the mechanism works around the clock without you having to think about it. That combination of automatic reinvestment and regular weekly contributions is what produces $823,000 from $39,000. Now here is how to supercharge this strategy. And this is the part that most investors skip entirely. Adding a fixed amount every single week on top of the dividend reinvestment. In this case, $25 every week. That consistent weekly contribution does 2 things simultaneously. First, it accelerates how quickly you accumulate shares, which means the compounding starts working on a larger base sooner. Second, it gives you the full benefit of dollar cost averaging. Some weeks the share price is high and $25 buys fewer shares. Other weeks the price is lower and $25 buys more. Over time, this averages out your cost per share in a way that consistently beats trying to time the market. A 33-year-old graphic designer set up exactly this system 6 years ago. $25 per week, automated into a dividend reinvestment portfolio. She has never adjusted the amount. She has never tried to time her purchases. She's not checked the portfolio more than once per quarter. After 6 years, her portfolio sits at $11,400. And her annual dividend income has grown from $190 in year one to $820 this year. The system is running, The compounding is accelerating, and she has done nothing except not interfere with it. But choosing the right stocks for this strategy matters enormously, and most investors get this wrong. The goal is not to find the highest yield available today. The goal is to find companies that combine a reasonable current yield with strong, consistent dividend growth and the financial strength to keep raising that dividend for decades. There are 4 categories of stocks that work best for a DRIP portfolio. The first is blue chip dividend stocks, companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These are businesses with long histories of consistent dividend payments and the financial stability to maintain them through every market cycle. They form the foundation of the portfolio. The second category is dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividend for at least 25 consecutive years. A T&T, ExxonMobil, and Walmart fall into this group. A company that has raised its dividend every year for a quarter century, has proven it can do so through recessions, market crashes, and economic uncertainty. The third category is high-yield dividend stocks, companies like Realty Income, ABR, and Verizon. These carry slightly more risk than blue chips, but their higher current yields provide meaningful income during the accumulation phase. The fourth category is growth-oriented dividend stocks, companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Visa, that combine strong dividend growth with capital appreciation. For maximum effectiveness, every stock in the portfolio should meet at least 3 of these 4 criteria. That filter alone eliminates most of the poor dividend investments and leaves the ones with the best combination of income and growth potential. Based on those criteria, here is the specific 5-stock portfolio that produces the $823,000 outcome. NextEra Energy, the largest renewable energy company in the US, with a current dividend yield of 2.76%, dividend growth of 11% annually, and share price appreciation averaging nearly 12% per year. Starbucks, yielding 3%, with dividend growth of nearly 17% annually. Abbott Laboratories, yielding 2.1%, with 11.4% annual dividend growth. Home Depot, yielding 2.59% with dividend growth exceeding 17% per year. And the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, which owns only companies with at least 25 consecutive years of dividend increases, yielding 2% with dividend growth of over 20% annually. Averaged across these 5 positions, the blended portfolio yields 2.5% today, grows its dividend at 15.5% per year, and appreciates at 10.9% annually. These are not theoretical numbers, they are based on the documented historical performance of these specific companies and funds. And when $25 per week flows into this portfolio through a DRIP account for 30 years, the result is $823,000, generating $5,325 every month, without ever touching the principal. Picture yourself 30 years from now. The $25 a week you started with has been running quietly in the background the entire time, through market crashes, through volatility, through every moment when stopping felt easier than continuing. And what it has built is a portfolio generating over $5,000 every single month, permanently, without you having to work for it. Your colleagues who thought $25 a week was too small to matter are still working. You are living off dividends that compound and grow every year. Not because you found a shortcut, because you started a system that most people never start. And you let it run long enough for the math to do what the math always does. The income does not stop when you stop working. It does not run out, it grows. Every year, as the companies in your portfolio raise their dividends, your monthly income increases. That is what $25 a week actually builds when you give it enough time and the right structure. Think about it. If you have made it this far in this video, it means this is not abstract to you. You are actually considering whether $25 a week is enough to start. It is. The math proves it, and the companies in this portfolio have the track records to back it up. Subscribe to this channel so you do not miss what is coming next. And watch the next video on screen. We already broke down 5 income streams you can start this month from 0, and this DRIP strategy is one of the most powerful ones on that list.